In recent years, making money by playing video games has gone from a distant dream to a legitimate career path. If you love gaming, you've probably wondered if turning your passion into a full-time income is possible. The answer is a resounding yes, but it's not as straightforward as just playing your favorite games all day. Gaming offers multiple ways to make money, from live streaming and creating content to esports competitions and in-game economies. In this video, we'll explain how to capitalize on each method, which strategies are most effective, and how to build a path that can lead to real financial success. Let's start with live streaming, one of the most accessible ways to earn from gaming. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube Gaming, and even Facebook Gaming provide streamers with a way to reach audiences globally. Streamers earn money through subscriptions, donations, sponsorships, and ad revenue. But here's the kicker. To make streaming a consistent source of income, you must grow a loyal fan base. The more viewers, the more likely they are to donate, subscribe, or buy merchandise. You'll want to focus on streaming games you love and have a robust and active community. It's often easier to gain traction in niche games with dedicated audiences than in saturated ones like Fortnite or Call of Duty. Building that initial audience can be challenging for streamers who are just starting. One powerful strategy is to niche down. For example, if you love indie games, make your channel the go-to place for discovering new indie releases. Or if you're highly skilled in a specific game, share advanced strategies, tips, or walkthroughs that others can't find anywhere else. Stream regularly, engage with viewers, and always look for ways to improve the quality of your stream. Remember, good production quality and genuine interaction with fans turn casual viewers into dedicated supporters. Then, we have content creation on YouTube, which can be a goldmine for gamers. Here, the approach is slightly different from live streaming. YouTube rewards creators with high views and watch time, so think about what content keeps viewers glued to the screen. Let's play videos where you showcase gameplay and give commentary can work well, especially if your personality shines through. But consider mixing in tutorial videos, game reviews, and top 10 style lists, which often generate higher views. Building a YouTube channel takes patience, and the competition is high, but those who consistently upload high-quality videos find success over time. The following strategy is joining the esports community. You might consider going pro if you're exceptionally skilled at a competitive game like League of Legends, Dota 2, or Rocket League. Esports can be incredibly lucrative, with prize pools sometimes reaching millions. However, it's not easy. Going pro requires immense dedication and practice, often for hours daily. It's a highly competitive field, but if you're talented and committed, it can be one of the most profitable ways to make money in gaming. Even if you don't go entirely professional, esports tournaments sometimes offer cash prizes for casual or semi-pro players. So look out for local competitions or online tournaments to hone your skills and potentially earn some cash. If you're interested in more passive income from gaming, consider the opportunity presented by in-game economies. Some online games have in-game marketplaces where players buy and sell items, and savvy players can make real money. For example, players can trade rare items, gold, or even characters on third-party sites in games like World of Warcraft. Rare skins and items are valuable commodities in popular games like Fortnite or Counter-Strike. However, always adhere to each game's rules regarding trades and third-party marketplaces, as some publishers are strict about in-game economies. Another unique approach to making money with gaming is through playtesting. Game studios constantly look for players to test new games and give feedback before launch. Playtesting is a paid opportunity to earn cash simply by playing and evaluating a game. However, these gigs are not easy to land and usually require some background in gaming or tech. Sites like Playtest Cloud, Beta Testing, and VGM allow users to sign up for testing gigs. However, the availability and pay can vary widely. Suppose you're passionate about giving feedback and want to influence game development. In that case, this can be a fun and rewarding way to earn. If you're more of a social gamer, consider building a community around your gameplay. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts are great for this. Gamers who post highlights, funny moments, or tutorials often gain a following quickly, and brands are eager to partner with influencers who can reach gaming audiences. Creating viral short-form content is also an excellent way to drive traffic to your primary channel or live stream, where monetization opportunities are more significant. So whether you're showing off epic gameplay or making humorous skits related to gaming culture, the key is to stay consistent and engage with followers. And finally, don't overlook affiliate marketing and brand partnerships. Brands will notice as your channel or streaming presence grows, especially if your audience matches their target market. Gaming peripherals, energy drinks, and even subscription boxes are standard products in the gaming space. Promoting products you genuinely enjoy and align with your brand can earn a solid income through affiliate commissions. Platforms like Amazon Associates and individual brand partnerships allow you to include links in your video descriptions or social media, earning you a percentage of every sale. Partnering with brands can be a huge moneymaker, but always prioritize products and services that match your content and add value to your audience. Ultimately, making money from gaming isn't an overnight success story for most. Still, it's achievable with the right approach and mindset. Choose the path that resonates most with your strengths and interests, whether creating content, competing, or building a social following. Each avenue has unique rewards and challenges, so be persistent, stay consistent, and keep leveling up your skills. The gaming world is evolving fast, and the opportunities are endless if you're willing to play the game smart.